Over the course of the TCV Summer School program, Tibetan children from Western countries have undergone a transformative journey, reconnecting with their roots and embracing their cultural heritage. Through immersive experiences and interactions with their peers, these young learners have not only deepened their understanding of Tibetan language, culture, and tradition, but also forged lifelong connections with their fellow participants and students of the Tibetan Children's Village.
아직 강아지 문에 전에 배배 부부지 치게 칼라다 되게 제 밤에게 되게 슈 마기가 있나 문에 강에 테서에 사바지로 봐 되게 슈 침불했어 강에 가르치기에서나 미리 있지 여러 것이 딜라서레스 다 이베네 단어 단이 침벌라 단이 파친 지제 부부지기 딱 민디 다당에 앞에 챙기면 뉴욕에 되게 지신 말이 다 독사도 진짜다고 같이 딱 간대 치기나 보고라 좀 배. 투이투고도 카테나서 임베를 달로 내서 하나 투스. 예, 라마시다 진짜지. 아이 걔나 달로 되나리베. 나 달로 되면서 이지나다. 근데 달로 되나네. 나 대대 인자 지역만 벤저로 같이 해서. 다니다 배 규샤. 코란 다니 독스타도 사바는 문내 직 챌린지. 와카니에 테베기 루투치. 카니에 테베 in the sense that 아주 지한다면 뜬금심 하도지 통고도 다 대체가 코란으로 랑메 토리 독스 용지 지도도 아니 딜라 펜토 여바치 마티치 통수 아니 다데 기타 고츠 사스레 데 얘기 대서디 원래 보고든데 열에 아니 이디서 아포 코란 김산에 데데 코란 쪽에 피게라 쇼겐아 오네 디 아무라디데 보고 있는 소리가 진짜인데도 얘 피게 통고도 그러야 보고 진지로 로바치 데기었다 한 가정에 직접 다 코란도 놓쳤어 보고 지도 때 가르치기도라나 폴리 첨부래 로안 가져다 야마체 보고 진지래 건들라 코란 연구를 와문에 보긴 이나 보고 진지도 기부 유행체도 폴리 첨부지 여러 볼 첨부디 아니 개볼 테니스 민두때 파츠 세주 바다 어딘데 지지데 투에 저쪽에 통돼서 봐가지 다 프랑스라 나라 저게 시즌 아주 행계기 상계 사고라고 여러 교대신이 보라 거리 닌지요 군대를 가뜨려서 어떤 다 되고도 파친지 롭좀 가리때 뒤로 이네 가리네 다 직딜도 걸고 무슨 이거 이네 개치시 코란들 행계에서 유럽에 현달라 닌지 치토에 현달라 등교진이 디디지 팔레토나 한 코란 족보이네 족보이네 파마 참아들 근데 진행 알아 소거든가 슈침불레스 라우나
Hopefully try to get on your alumni's good side. Don't be too harsh on the kids. Be nice to the teachers, listen, and just enjoy TCV right now. Because TCV can go by quick right now.
For the future TCV kids, once you arrive here, don't be shy, get to know everyone, and really get yourself involved. I feel like some of the kids here, they were shy and they didn't really get involved with Shabdo class, history class and stuff, and I think that's such a waste of time and money. You came here, you spent the money, you're here for a month, so you might as well give it your best and participate in all the activities.
I would probably just share the wisdom that I've learned here, whether it's simple as chores or dangye, or instruments, or learning how to speak Tibetan. I would just like to share it with all of my family members and friends.
As they prepare to return to their respective countries, these young Tibetan diaspora carry with them a renewed sense of identity and pride in their heritage. Armed with newfound knowledge and skills, they are poised to become ambassadors for Tibetan culture and advocate for its preservation in their respective countries.
Waking up at 5 a.m. because you can stay on track and you can make it a daily thing that you do all the time.
I learned how to make food, do damye, and I learned how to speak Tibetan good. I made a lot of memories with the Kimsung kids, and overall it's just a good experience.
Music or gorshe, where we all as one group, a whole group, get to learn and participate together, talk, play, and dance and stuff like that. I learned some dances, some songs, different types of songs, like 2 or 3 different songs, music notes, how to read the Tamiyan notes, and I learned kind of how to play the lingbu a little. And then we learned about Rikshung, bear culture, a little bit of bear culture, and stuff like that.
But also through my stories and experiences that I can share with my parents, my family about the trip when they ask me, I think I'll be super excited to tell them about everything I experienced here, what life was like here, and stuff like that.
This might be my first and last time, but I have some feeling about coming back again sometime.
Looking ahead, the future of Tibetan language, culture, and tradition rests in the hands of these young torchbearers. Their passion and dedication hold the promise of keeping the flame of Tibetan heritage alive for generations to come. However, the challenges facing Tibetan language and culture remain daunting. As external pressures mount and the small refugee community continues to disperse across the world, concerted efforts are needed to ensure the survival and flourishing of Tibetan identity in the modern world. As we bid farewell to another successful summer camp program, we are reminded that the journey towards cultural preservation is ongoing. It requires dedication, resilience, and solidarity among Tibetans of all generations and backgrounds.
맞아 배워 미리기 대별로 동작을이야 삼바 삼구치하게 맞아 미규지 별을 열에 다 마음발이네 맞아 배워 kum시 삼바 삼구치하디 무튼이 대야지 찬주 성로 쇼아 배주시아